Vegan vanilla layer cake with raspberry jam. Indulge in the delightful flavors of this vegan vanilla layer cake with raspberry jam. A perfect treat for any occasion. Ingredients: 1/2 cup vegan butter, softened. 1 1/4 cups unsweetened plant-based milk, plus 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1/2 cup aquafaba, liquid from a can of chickpeas. 3 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon fine sea salt. 1/2 cup sunflower oil, or melted coconut oil. 1 1/4 cups organic cane sugar. 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons orange juice, optional. 1 tablespoon orange zest, optional. 2 cups fresh raspberries. Raspberry jam, for filling. Tangy buttercream frosting, for topping. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Mix plant-based milk and lemon juice. Let sit for 5 minutes. Beat vegan butter and sugar until fluffy. Add aquafaba and vanilla extract. Combine dry ingredients and add to the wet mixture alternately with the milk mixture. Fold in orange juice and zest, if using. Divide batter into greased cake pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Let the cakes cool, then layer with raspberry jam and frost with tangy buttercream.